In this video, we're going to review the PELONIS ceramic space heater. Let's take it out. So, some of the specs. You have two heat settings on it. You have an adjustable thermostat, tip over protection, overheat protection, oscillating functions, and a safety plug. Okay, so let's look at it. Alright, we can tell that it's made out of some hard plastic material. It has a metal wire mesh directly on the front, and in the center you got the heating element, and it's supposed to be high efficiency. On the top you have the handle for easy carrying, and then you have two different control knobs. One is the thermostat, and it controls the temperature from minimum to maximum, and then you have your knob for the heat setting, and you got 5 different settings on here. You have your high, which is the 1500 watt setting, and then your low, which is the 900 watt setting, and then off, and then you have your low oscillating, which means it's going to go from left to right and right to left, and the low would be set at 900 watts, whereas the high would be set at 1500 watts. Now on the bottom of it, you'll notice that you have the tip over or safety. So if it were to tip over because of this, it would automatically turn off. The build quality is really good. PELONIS has been around for a long time, and it is a very well made product. So, as you can tell, the fan is very strong, and it heats up quite nicely. Right now I'm in about an 8 by 20 room, and the outside temperature is about 32 degrees. Normally it takes about 30 minutes, and then it becomes very comfortable while using this fan. The noise level is about 60 decibels, equal to an office conversation at about 3 feet. So overall, I would say that this is a very, very good heater. It's portable. You can take it, of course, anywhere you want to, and like I said earlier, it heats up quite nicely. So, would I recommend it? Absolutely. Now, I got this one on Amazon, and you can find the link in the description below if you choose to get one. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell, share, and comment. Remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.